In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable NFC on your Android phone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the NFC setting, how to turn it on, and a few things to keep in mind so it works smoothly for contactless payments and quick data sharing. Let's start with what NFC actually is. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It allows your phone to communicate with other devices, like payment terminals or NFC tags, when they're very close together, usually just a few centimeters. If you've ever tapped your phone to pay at a store, that's NFC in action. To use it, though, it has to be turned on in your settings. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the main home screen. From here, swipe down from the top of the screen to open your notification shade. Depending on your phone, you may need to swipe down twice to fully open the Quick Settings panel. Now, look through the Quick Settings icons. You might already see an icon labeled NFC or Near Field Communication. If you do, you can simply tap it once to enable it. When it's active, the icon should light up or change color. If you don't see the NFC icon here, don't worry. We'll enable it through the full settings menu instead. Next, tap the gear icon in the top corner of the screen to open the main settings app. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section related to connections. This might be called Connections, Connected Devices, Network and Internet, or More Connection Settings, depending on your phone brand and Android version. Go ahead and tap that option. Inside this menu, look for a setting labeled NFC. On some phones, it might be inside a sub-menu like Connection Preferences. When you find NFC, tap on it. You should now see a simple toggle switch. Slide the toggle to turn NFC on. When it's enabled, the switch will usually turn blue or another highlight color. If your phone offers additional NFC options, such as choosing your default payment app, you can review those here as well. Make sure your preferred payment app is installed and set as default if you plan to use Tap to Pay. Once NFC is turned on, you're ready to use it. Try tapping your phone on a compatible payment terminal or an NFC tag to see it in action. If it doesn't work right away, check that the screen is awake, the phone is held near the reader, and NFC is still enabled in your settings.